Welcome to the Canvas Quick Start template. This template is meant to help you transition your face-to-face class to online delivery. To get started with the template, hit the Edit button on the course homepage and update the course number, title, and your name. Be sure to hit Save to save your changes. The next step is to upload an electronic copy of your syllabus. Click the syllabus link in the left-hand course menu. Then click Edit. The syllabus currently linked on this page is only a sample. To replace that sample, highlight the syllabus text and click the Remove Link button. With the syllabus text still highlighted, select Files from the right-hand menu, upload a new file, and search for and upload your syllabus from your computer. You'll know that your link has worked if the syllabus text turns blue. Click Update Syllabus to save your changes. Next, you'll begin customizing your module page view. Click Modules in the left-hand course menu. To edit the information provided in the Start Here module, click the link to the page and then the Edit button. Be sure to save your changes. To replace the module title placeholders, click the three-dot menu, then Edit, and update the titles. Click Update Module to save your changes. 3 activity types have been created for you as samples: a discussion, an assignment, and a quiz. You can edit these with new titles and questions by clicking their titles, and then using the Edit button to revise titles, add instructions, and add questions. To add additional elements to each module, use the plus button at the top of the module, and then select the type of item you would like to add. Creating items through this module view will create the placeholder items that you can then go in and edit. Be sure to update the module overview and learning guide pages that explain to students what they are doing in each module. These are easiest to update after you've added your resources, materials, and activities. To add additional modules, use the plus button at the very top of the module page. If you need to delete modules, pages, or assignments, use the three-dot menu and select Delete or Remove. Note that this will only remove those items from the module view. To fully delete each element, you'll need to go to the Pages or Assignment link in the left-hand course menu and delete the items from there as well. Please see go.uncc.edu/pGGx for a curated list of tutorials and help for using Canvas and other university technology tools.